In this video we are going to see how you can use the design table in Solidworks software. So I'm just creating a simple part of circular pipe of 100 diameter and 5 thickness, and I am giving it the length of 100 Now I will insert the design table in this part. Let me first rename the dimension. First of all, I'll select the diameter and name it as OD. Then select the length of the pipe and name that dimension as length. Then I will insert the table. Go to insert table, Excel design table. Auto create is automatically selected, so I just simply create OK. Now the table, it will ask me to select the dimension which I want to insert in the design table. So I will select all three dimension: OD, thickness and length of the pipe. So it is showing me only one configuration, say default configuration. In the same column I will add more configuration. The configuration name is same as the length I want in the pipe, so it will be easy to identify. So I am creating the configuration at an interval of 100 200, 300 till 1000, and selecting this paste, copying the same in the length column, and that OD and thickness will be constant for all configuration. Oh, by mistake I have entered the length in the OD column, so I'll select the OD 100 constant for all configuration, and I'll copy the length in the length column, and I'll click outside the table, and automatically it will generate all the configuration in Solidworks. It is showing that this configuration have been generated in the part. I will go to the configuration section, and now you can see that all configuration has been created. I'll switch to different configuration, and you can see that the length has been adjusted as per the value we have entered in the design table. I'll simply selecting the length. You can see the configuration name is 400, and in which we have given the length of the pipe 400 So this is how you can create the multiple configuration in Solidworks part using the design table. If you like the content, then please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.